And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news from the state of Maharashtra. We are getting you some insights on the race for Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Now, we're learning, as per sources, that Eknath Shinde is ready to be the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In fact, he's also okay with Devendra Fadnavis becoming the Chief Minister. Sources also suggest that Eknath Shinde has demanded the Home Ministry. In fact, Eknath Shinde is also eyeing the Assembly Speaker post. But on the other hand, the BJP is not willing to give away the Home Department. In fact, the BJP also wants the Speaker from its own party. So that's a big update that is coming in from Maharashtra. My colleague Shweta is now joining us with more details on this. Shweta, the Speaker's post and the Home Ministry seems to be the bone of contention between the BJP and Eknath Shinde.
Well, that is right. In fact, the crucial meeting which is yet to be chaired here in Mumbai with the Mahayuti Alliance partners, the key leaders were already discussing about the portfolio allocation. Now, remember, there are certain plush portfolios which every political party in the Mahayuti Alliance wants, which is, of course, Home Department, Revenue, Agriculture, Industries. These are some of the departments where all the three parties are eyeing upon. And here we understand that there were several speculations being made. If Eknath Shinde is upset about the discussions that has happened at Delhi with the top brass leaders of BJP. Apart from this, what we see just as soon as they came, Eknath Shinde left for Satara for his native town. Now what we understand is that as again they have to sit for a meeting, they have to pitch their certain portfolios, what they want because of the allocation of portfolios. Eknath Shinde faction Shiv Sena is eyeing on Home Department. Remember, Sanjay Sirsat, one more key member from Shiv Sena party, has been focusing on this. He has been interacting with media and stating that they don't have any problem if BJP gets the CM post, and we are eyeing for. In fact, they are focusing on Home Department and the Speaker post as well. These are two crucial posts what they have been looking forward for. But at the same time, what we understand is that BJP is not certainly ready to give away two posts, because they also understand that the importance of these two posts, the Assembly Speaker post as well as the Home Department. Certainly it has become the bone of contention between both the parties. Only time can reveal what goes next, who will get the Home Department. It is very important portfolio, we must understand that. And when it comes to the Assembly Speaker post, that is also somewhere BJP wants to hold. It is again, when the meeting would be chaired, the more understanding and the better picture would be coming soon after.